Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. What are they? Today in this video, we're going to discuss the three machine learning techniques and their examples and their applications in real life scenarios. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, and it's focused on enabling computers and machines to imitate the way humans learn, to perform tasks automatically, and to improve their performance, accuracy through experience and exposure to more data. Supervised learning is an example like learning with a teacher. And here models are being trained using labeled data, and the task is to map an output based on labeled data. For example, where we are having images of dogs and cats clearly defined. Also, maybe a data set that is clearly defined with columns that this is age, this is blood pressure, and the task is maybe to predict the medical cost. In supervised learning, the tasks can be either regression, where it's used for continuous data, e.g. predicting cells or the amount of blood sugar in the body, or it can be of classification task where the algorithm tries to determine whether a member is of a class or a group. For example, spam detection of an email, or even using the images trying to classify whether it's a dog or a cat. Examples of algorithms are linear regression, support vector machines, and decision trees. On the other hand, unsupervised learning models are trained using unlabeled data, and this is exploring without a guide, where you are trying just to learn without clear instructions or a guide guiding you around. So in the same picture where we're having a cat and a dog, rather than labeling clearly that this is a dog and this is a cat, we give the algorithm the pictures, and the algorithm will just try to identify which pictures are similar and group them. So the model just tries to identify patterns, clusters, or association independently without clear labels. We use this in customer segmentation, where we are grouping users with similar behaviors. Examples of algorithms are the k-means clustering, principal component analysis, and autoencoders. Finally, reinforcement learning. Here it's like learning through trial and error. For example, training a dog with rewards and punishment. Here you can be throwing a stick and asking the dog to fetch it. When the dog successfully fetches it, you maybe give it a piece of meat. Or if the dog fails to fetch the stick, nothing or no reward is given to the dog. And in reinforcement learning, we have an agent that will interact with the environment, learning through rewards and penalties to maximize long-term success. Reinforcement learning is used in robotics technologies or the autonomous driving systems, and some of the examples of the algorithms used are the Q-learning, SASA, and deep Q networks. There we have it, guys. We've been able to differentiate the three machine learning techniques: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more machine learning content.